Hello and welcome to Spot the Markets, our weekly analysis on financial market out every Mondays. I'm Marcello Zanardo, CEO of Mercury Partners Academy and adjunct professor at Covestro University in Venice. So looking at the week, it was an interesting week. Japan's Nikkei fell almost 5% as the new prime minister opened the week by announcing a snap election. We continue to see finally Chinese stocks surging again. And in terms of equity markets, they were mostly flat in the States, both the Dow Jones, the S&P, and also the Nasdaq Composite. If we look at the weekly winners and losers, as we said for the week, the Hang Seng rebounded strongly, another 10% up, and energy-related commodities and the energy index strongly up because of tension in the Middle East with Israel bombarding and invading Lebanon, southern Lebanon. If we look at the losers for the week, Japanese yen, the India market, and the FTSE and the CAC, so Italy and French equity index being down. If we look at the big picture year to date, we see that Bitcoin is up by 47%, gold by 28%, Nasdaq and S&P by 21%, with only emerging markets local bond being negative year to date. So clearly very buoyant markets with equity markets hitting new highs. If we look at the usual look at equity sector performance, communication services is up by almost 27%, actually more than that, almost 28%. And global financial and global tech up by a bit more than 20%. All the equity sectors are in positive territory year to date. Looking at the stock, we saw another weak performance by Stellantis as they reported full year earnings outlook. They cut the earnings outlook, and so they added further pressure on the share price. Nike also posted results which disappointed the market with an almost 30% fall in quarterly profit. Spirit Airlines was severely down by 25% as there are news of possible bankruptcy filing. If we look at Hims and Hers Health, the Food and Drug Administration said there were no longer shortages on Eli Lilly's popular medicine, and the stock reacted badly. Tesla also continues to be under pressure as the figures for vehicles registration, which were 463,000 almost during July to September, were for the first 9 months trailing last year performance. So the stock was down by another 3.5%. And Conagra Brands, which is the maker of Healthy Choice, frozen meals, said Wednesday that sales were down by 4% in the latest quarter. So the stock was more than 8% down. If we look at the economic indicators out of the week, on Wednesday, 9th of October, we had the minutes released by the Federal Open Market Committee. Now we expect 225 bips rate cut by the end of the year. On Thursday, the Bureau of Labor Statistics will release consumer price index for September with an estimate in consensus up by 2.3% year over year. And on Friday, we'll have the big banks starting to report third quarter results. We want to remind you our new complete offering, which is completely free on our social, where you have a significant roundup on financial markets and topics. Spot the Market, which is today's edition, is out every Monday. Roundup on financial markets. Pills of Finance, it's out every Tuesday. And here we put facts and figures of a trendy topic. Spot the Sector is up every Wednesday. So learn the 11 equity sectors in 11 weeks. Point of View, it's a new publication we do on Thursday. We try to invite a guest and we select a relevant topic for the week that we comment. And finally, Spot the Stock out every Friday, where we introduce the biggest stock of every equity sector. Plus, we have episodes like Macro in the Market, Fixed Income Market, Chart the Market with the true industry experts that we release every couple of weeks. You can follow us on all our social media, become a follower, and enjoy all this free offering. And you can visit our website, mercurypartners.net, where students have opportunities for internship in our firm. That's all from me, Marcello Zanardo. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.